Hey everybody, in this video I'll talk about the best LEGO Fortnite world seed for beginners and building. So for a good start experience in LEGO Fortnite, especially for beginners and builders, the seeds offers a mix of advantage, a hill for each defense, access to multiple biomes and resources, and a flat area for building your base. Now the seed is known for its high vantage point on a hill, making it easy to defend your base. It also provide access to forest, desert, and snow biomes, along with multiple caves, making resources gathering easy. Now, these seeds offer a beautiful beach environment with a wide range of resources available nearby, like wood, stones, and forest food as well. Now, this seed is designed to give player a head start with the pre-built structures, making it ideal for beginners who want to focus on building. And similarly, this seed provides access to desert biomes and its unique resources as well. The seed also offers a unique blend of desert and snow biomes, providing diverse resources and environment. Likewise, the seed spawns you at the foot of a hill with a flat hilltop perfect for building a fort. It also closes to other biomes and a cave as well. These are the best LEGO Fortnite world seed for beginners and builders. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.